Hello students, this is the third part of multiple and submultiple angles. In part 1 and part 2 we learn about some formulae. Okay, today I am going to explain some more formulae and problems based on those formulae. Okay, so first one, sin A is equal to 3 sin A by 3 minus 4 sin cube A by 3. Second one, cos A equal to 4 cos cube A by 3 minus 3 cos A by 3. Okay, so important thing is this is valid for all A nana. For every capital A belongs to capital R. So now I want to prove this. Just first one, take sin 3A formula. Sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Just do one thing, Nana. Put 3A equal to K or theta. What happened to this? Sin theta equal to 3 sin, instead of A, correct theta by 3. Theta by 3 minus 4 sin cube theta by 3. So this is the actual result. Instead of theta, you can write A also. Therefore, sin A means you can say that 3 sin A by 3 minus 4 sin cube A by 3. This is also useful result. Okay, Nana. For second one, take cos 3A formula. Cos 3A equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay. So here also, instead of 3A, write theta. What happened on here? Cos theta equal to 4 cos cube theta by 3 minus 3 cos theta by 3. So in this way you can complete this result, Nana. Or instead of theta you can write A, then you will get the actual result. Okay. Next, third one, tan A. I want tan A equal to 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 by 1 minus 3 tan square A by 3. This is also easy one only, but the conditions A comma A by 3 are not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Now proof is not big problem. Okay, just you want to use tan 3 theta formula. So wait, tan 3 theta formula, what is that? No, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So put 3 theta equal to A. What is the meaning of that? Theta becomes A by 3. Then the results becomes tan A equal to 3 tan A by 3 minus tan cube A by 3 by 1 minus 3 tan square A by 3. Okay, in this way you can remember this, Nana. This is also important result for us. Okay. So fourth one, Yeah, cot A. Cot A equal to 3 cot A by 3 minus cot cube A by 3 by 1 minus 3 cot square A by 3 for A comma A by 3 doesn't belongs to the form of n pi, where n belongs to z. This is not big problem, Nana. You can prove yourself. Just cos 3a formula you want to take, or cos 3 theta form, cot 3 theta formula you want to take. Instead of 3 theta right here, then you will get the result. Okay. Yeah, fifth important. Why I am saying important? Sin 2 theta comma cos 2 theta in terms of tan theta, in terms of tan theta. Sometimes we need this formula, sin 2 theta cos 2 theta in terms of tan. Actually sin 2 theta means what, Nana? Sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta into cos theta only. Here tan theta is not involved. So cos 2 theta also have 3 cos square theta minus sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. For all these formula, tan is not involved, but sometimes you want to find the sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta in terms of tan. Yeah. Observe students, among this I can write first one, that is important one, sin 2a. Okay, student, sin 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, Nana. A should not belongs to, or A should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Second result, cos 2a, that is equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Here also a should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Okay, so sin 2a and cos 2a in terms of tan important. So to prove this, what I am doing, Nana, I am taking RHS part here. RHS of first, what is that? 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, which is same as 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square means secant square a, square relation. So that is 2 sin a by cos a into 1 by secant square means cos square a. Cos square I can write. So one cos cancel, no problem, because a is not in the form of 2n plus pi by 2, can cancel. So what I will get, Nana, here? 2 sin a into cos a, which is same as sin 2a only. That's why sin 2a is remembered as 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. So this is also important result, should be remembered. Okay, Nana. Next, second one. Yeah, second one also I am taking RHS part. What is that? 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. You write as it is 1 minus tan square a, don't disturb it. By 1 plus tan square a means secant square a. Okay, so what you got, Nana? 1 minus tan square a by secant square a means cos square a only, no? Because 1 by secant a means cos a only. Just multiplication, cos square a minus tan square a into cos square a, which is same as cos square a minus, see here, Nana, this is sin square a by cos square a into cos square a. We can cancel cos square a because a is not in the form 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So what happened? Cos square a minus sin square. This is one of the formula of cos 2a only, no? Therefore final result cos 2a is nothing but 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay students, yeah, this should be remembered. Yeah, IMP property. Means IMP means you should write IMP only, Nana. You should remember all these important. First one is tan A minus cot plus cot A equal to 2 cosec A. Second one, cot A minus tan A equal to 2a. Here also 2a only, Nana. So should remember under condition only what values of tan and cot defined, under those values of a only these results are applicable. Okay, so first one easy only, take LHS. Yeah, tan a means I can write sin a by cos a, plus cos a cot a means I can write cos a by sin a. Take LCM. LCM is cos a into sin a. What will get done here? Sin square a plus cos square a. Okay, so what is that? Cos square a plus 1 only. 1 into sin a into cos a. Important thing is, what is sin 2a formula, Nana? 2 sin a into cos a. 2 you want, 2 not there, no? Multiply 2 and divided by 2. So 2 by, I can write 2 sin a into cos a. What is that, Nana? 2 by sin 2a. So 1 by sin a means cosec a, no? 2 cosec 2a. Cosec 2a. So finally what you got here? Important rule, Nana, this one. Tan a plus cot a is remembered as 2 cosec 2a. This result is important, should remember. Okay. Next, second one. Here also I want to take LHS only. LHS is cot a minus tan a. Okay. So what I can write, this is cos a by sin a minus sin a by cos a. Here also I can take sin a into cos LCM. So what will get done here? Cos square a minus sin square a. So already you know that cos square a minus sin square a means cos square cos 2a formula by sin a into cos a. So actually numerator is okay, cos 2a. Yeah, in denominator what you have? Sin a into cos a. But here we want 1 2, Nana. If 1 2 is there, then you can say sin 2a formula. That's why 2 multiplied and 2 divided. So this is gives 2 cos 2a by sin 2a, that one. That is nothing but 2 cot 2a. Cot 2a. Therefore final result is, what is the final result, Nana? Cot first, cot. Yeah. Cot a minus tan a is remembered as 2 cot 2a. So students, important thing, these results are valid for the angles where cot theta, cot a and tan a are defined, or cot 2a defined. Important example, Nana. Important example. Okay. Theta is not integral multiple of pi by 4, then prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta equal to cot theta. Important, you can extend, no, but at last here tan theta, 2 tan 2 theta, 4 tan 4 theta, but at last you need to write cot 8 cot 8 theta. Again you want to write one more step, tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 tan 8 theta. 8 after what happened, Nana? That is 16 cot 16 theta should write. Then that also equal to cot theta only. Okay. Now proof for this. So I want to take LHS, that is tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. So to solve this problem, you need to use our previous result number 2, that is cot theta minus tan theta is nothing but 2 cot 2 theta. This result should use none. Make tan theta subject here. What happened? Tan theta equal to cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta. This is value of tan theta. Instead of this tan theta, I can write this. Again tan 2 theta I want. I will write here. See, tan 2 theta means just I am doubling the angle. So what happened? Cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta. Tan 4 theta also I want. Tan 4 theta. Tan 4 theta equal to, again I want double the angle, cot 4 theta minus 2 times of cot 8 theta. Just substitute these values in the LHS part, you get the required result. LHS is, instead of tan theta, what I am writing down here, cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta bracket plus 2 into, instead of tan 2 theta, I can write this. What is that? Cot 2 theta minus 2 cot 4 theta plus, instead of 4 as it is, instead of tan 4 theta, I can write cot 4 theta minus 2 cot 8 theta and plus 8 cot 8 theta as it is, don't disturb it, 8 cot 8 theta. Now just open bracket, Nana, then we get the required result. So cot theta minus 2 cot 2 theta plus 2 cot 2 theta minus 4 cot 4 theta plus 4 cot 4 theta minus 8 cot 8 theta plus this 8 cot 8 theta, 8 cot 8 theta. Observe students, this cancel, this cancel, this cancel. So what is left with us? Only cot theta, which is nothing but RHS. So that's why what I wrote here now, important model. Okay. Students, important results. First one, sin theta into sin 60 degree plus theta into sin 60 degree minus theta equal to 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. Should remember. Second one, sin theta into sin 120 degree plus theta into sin 120 degree minus theta equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Third one, cos theta into cos of 60 plus theta into cos of 60 minus theta is also equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. So 4, cos theta into cos 120 plus theta into cos 120 degree minus theta equal to 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. Very important results. Okay, how they will ask questions, that is important. Okay, they will ask question like this: sin 20 degree into sin 40 degree into sin 80 degree equal to dash. Sin 20 degree, sin 40 degree, sin 80 degree is equal to dash. So 20 is not standard angle, 40 is not standard angle, 80 is not standard angle. But the result, this result is in the form of sin 20 into sin 60 minus 20 into sin 60 plus 20 form. According to this result, first result, we can say that this is 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. 3 theta, theta means 20 here. Theta, see, 60 minus theta, 60 plus theta. So 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta. 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta means sin 60. No, standard angle 60 degree. So 1 by 4 into sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Final answer is root 3 by 8. That's why if a problem is given like this, directly we can't solve without using these properties. Okay, using these properties directly you can say that our answer is root 3 by 8. That's why these properties are important. Their proofs are not difficult, Anna. One I will prove, remaining you can prove. First result I can prove, remaining results you can prove. That is not big problem. Okay. Okay. Proof for the result. Just first one I am proving. LHS is sin theta into sin 60 degree plus theta into sin 60 degree minus theta. Okay. Yeah. Sin theta as it is, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin square a minus sin square b. I can write in bracket, already established fact. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Okay, Nana. Sin theta as it is, sin square 60 means root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square theta. Okay, so what happened here? Sin theta into 3 by 4 minus sin square theta. Or another words you can say that 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta by 4. Observe, Nana. Just I took LCM as 4 and I multiplied with sin theta. Numerator is nothing but sin 3 theta formula, no, that one. Sin 3 theta by 4. Finally, what happened, Nana? Sin theta into sin 60 degree plus theta into sin 60 degree minus theta is always equal to 1 by 4 times of sin 3 theta. Important result. Remaining result you people can prove, that is not big problem. Okay, so based on this I want to try two example problems. Example 1, just I wrote now, find the first one, you can say find the value of sin 20 degree into sin 40 degree into sin 80 degree. One problem. Second problem, find the value of cos pi by 9 into cos 2 pi by 9 into cos 3 pi by 9 into cos 4 pi by 9. Don't confuse, just you can convert into degrees, you can find the answer. That is not a big problem for us. Solution. So first one already explained, no? But again I want to write now. Observe here, sin 20 degree into sin 40 degree into sin 80 degree can be written as sin 20 degree into sin 60 minus 20 degree, okay, Nana, into sin 60 plus 20 degree. Just now we proved, no, this is nothing but 1 by 4 times of sin 3 theta. 3 theta means here 20 degree. that is equal 1 by 4 into sin 60 degree, that is equal 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2, that is equal root 3 by 8. Okay, Nana. Second problem. What is that? Cos pi by 9 into cos 2 pi by 9 into cos 3 pi by 9 into cos 4 pi by 9. Okay, Nana. Yes, pi by 9 means 20 only, no? 180 degree by 9, that is 20 degree. Yeah, radian form of 20 degree is pi by 9. That's why don't confuse, directly correct. So what is this? Cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 60 degree into cos 80 degree. Simple problem. So what should do here? So this is separate it. Cos 60 separate it. You write cos 20 degree as it is into cos 40 degree into cos 80 degree into cos 60. Separate this one. Okay, Nana. Cos theta, cos 60 plus theta, cos 60 minus theta form. Cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta form. That is 1 by 4 into cos 3 theta. 3 theta. 3 into theta means 20 into cos 60 as it is. That is standard angle only. So 1 by 4 into, this is cos 60 into this another cos 60. Okay. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into another 1 by 2. So which is equal to 1 by 16. Therefore the value of the given expression is equal to 1 by 16. Note. Yeah. Tan theta into tan 60 degree plus theta into tan 60 degree minus theta is nothing but tan 3 theta. Students, observe here. So we have formula sin theta sin 60 plus, I will use another x here. Sin theta sin 60 plus theta sin 60 minus theta 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Cos theta plus cos 60 theta cos 60 minus theta 1 by 4 cos theta. 1 by 3, result 1 by result 3 gives 1 by 4, 1 by 4 get cancelled. Directly get tan 3 theta. That's why, yeah, tan theta plus tan 60 plus theta tan 60 minus theta, directly I can write tan 3 theta. Similarly, tan theta plus tan 180 plus theta, 120 plus theta into tan 120 minus theta also tan 3 theta only. So that's why this is note 1. Note 2, tan theta into tan 120 degree plus theta into tan 120 degree minus theta is also tan 3 theta only. So based on this, I need to write one example problem here. The problem is given as find tan 6 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 66 degree into tan 78 degree. Yeah, student, this is somewhat interesting problem, Nana. Given problem is not in standard form. Not in standard form means not in the form of tan theta into tan 60 plus theta and tan 60 minus theta. But observe here, this term and this term are satisfying one condition. What the condition I will write here? Tan 6 degree into tan 60 plus 6 degree I can write. To get the formula, actually what should have? Tan 60 minus 6 degree should be given, but not given. This is not given. One thing. Next, tan 42 is there and tan 78 is there. 78 means what, Nana? That is 60 plus 18. What is this? 60 minus 18 means tan 60 minus 18 is there, tan 60 plus 18 is there, but tan 18 is not there. Tan 18 should be, means tan 18 and tan 54 both you want. Tan 18 and what is here? Some 60 minus 6. What is that, Nana? 60 minus 6, 54. Tan 54 and tan 18 you want. That's why I will rewrite the question. Observe here, I will reread the question. So interesting question. First term as it is, you write tan 6 degree into tan 66 degree into tan 54 degree. Just I multiplied and I will divide later. That is not a big problem. So tan 18 degree into tan 42 degree, okay, into tan 78 degree. Okay, what happened? Divided by just tan 54 degree into tan 18 degree. Now okay na? Okay, so numerator first term tan 60 degree 6 degree into tan 60 plus 6 degree, okay na, into tan 60 minus 6 degree. Okay, next tan 18 degree, okay, into tan 60 minus 18 degree into tan 60 plus 18 degree. Okay, divided by, so what do you have? Tan 54, tan 54 into tan 18 degree. Yeah, tan theta, tan 60 plus theta, tan 60, no, tan 3 theta, tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta means 3 into 6 and 18. Okay, so tan theta, tan 60 plus theta, tan 60 minus theta, tan 3 theta, 18 3s are means almost 54, tan 54. Okay, this is numerator, and what is the denominator here? So same, tan 54 into tan 18. So what happened? These two get cancelled. So the answer is 1. The value of the given expression is equal to 1. Interesting problem. Yeah, next example. Prove that 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta equal to tan theta. Why? Now, actually, what is theta? They should mention. What I mean here, the expression should be defined. A by B form, no, this should not be equal to 0. Such theta should be taken consideration. Simply tan theta is given. Tan theta is given means theta should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. For such theta values only, this expression is equal to tan theta. Theta does not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and tan theta is not equal to minus 1. Why? Because denominator should divide. No, for a by b given, if b equal to 0, then this is not defined. That's why for tan theta equal to minus 1, then this expression may be 0, and tan theta is an algebra. That's why theta should not in the form of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, proof. So I want to take LHS nana. So interesting problem. What is LHS nana? 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. Just expansion only, another not big problem. 1 as it is. Sin 2 theta means you can write 2 sin theta into cos theta. My interesting step, cos 2, what should I write instead of cos theta? We have several formulas, 4 are there, including tan. Which one is important? Which one is applicable here? One should eliminate. Such formula should write here. So for example, you write formula as 1 minus 2 sin square theta with the bracket minus 1 plus this minus and this plus 1 get cancelled. No, that's why instead of that cos 2 theta, I want to write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Understand? Know what is my intention? So I want to cancel that plus 1. Okay. Similarly, here 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus here also cos 2 they have several formulae. So I want to write a formula so that this one will cancel. That is 2 cos square theta minus 1. I will write 2 cos square theta minus 1. Next what happened here? This minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. After removing bracket, this minus this also get cancelled. So what is left with us? 2 sin theta into cos theta, okay, plus 2 sin square theta by 2 sin theta into cos theta plus 2 cos square theta. So in numerator I can take 2 sin theta common. 2 sin theta means cos theta plus sin theta left, 1 sin theta divided by here 2 cos theta taken common. What then 2 cos theta means sin theta is left plus cos theta. Observe here, interesting step. These two get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So what happened here? Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta. That only required value, that is RHS. Students, next example. Prove that cos alpha minus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha minus sin beta whole square equal to 4 times of sin square of alpha minus beta by 2. So now I want to take LHS nana proof. So LHS, what is LHS? Cos alpha minus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha minus sin beta whole square. Just expansion only. A minus b whole square. A square means cos square alpha, b square cos square beta minus 2ab minus 2 cos alpha into cos beta plus sin square alpha plus sin square beta minus 2 sin alpha into sin beta. This is LHS. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, cos square beta plus sin square beta another 1. From these two I want to take minus 2 common. What happened here? Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha into sin beta. Okay, observe here. 1 plus 1 2 nana, 2 minus 2 into, this is a formula of cos of a minus b, cos of alpha minus beta. Okay, so this is same as 2 minus 2 into, so cos, no, in the bracket is in the form of cos k, some cos k is given, but the result is in terms of say no half angle formula I want to write here, half angle formula. So observe students, cos 2k means what nana? 1 minus 2 sin square k. Cos k I want, half, this should make half, this should also we should make as half. 1 minus 2 sin square k by 2 I can say. This formula I want to use here. So feel as this is k, but instead of that what you can write? 1 minus 2 sin square k by 2, k means alpha minus beta by 2. Yeah, now I want to open the bracket. 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus plus 2 to the 4 sin square alpha minus beta by 2. These two get cancelled. What happened nana? 4 sin square alpha minus beta by 2, which is the required RHS.